code I'm going to create robot. That means robot picture with the help of Python. I'm going to show the coding with the help of Python. So before doing that, we have to import the packages. Three different categories where it's supposed to anything other than the package of this packages change beyond we can import the bottom diagram where we have a support diagram that is file front back and front end with the opposite direction where I want to print out. So if you want to create a paper diagram, so let's see if you can do it. Create a color and get it all the just like see that inside, see that color, and see that begin. So you can say the diagram for few seconds to shape everything the color different color of the second. Now I'm going to see the founder function where I'm doing the incrementally. Then I'm going to the forward right, and the end kill and see that pin. So these are things where I have to do package library. So instead of package of the interesting library where you can create the shapes and other one you can do it's like a pen also. So you can say the flow, then I'm going to do like data to minus 100 comma minus 150, then rectangle filling with the size of 50 comma 20 comma blue, and I'm going to write data go to of minus 30 comma minus 150, then again writing the rectangle with the blue color, same size, and I'm going to draw the here the row of house. A head, a round head is there, then one similar to human there will be a box, rectangle box, and two hands, and like that some colors will be there. So we are going to frame the legs with the help of these statements like rectangle 15 comma 100 comma gray color. Then I'm going to fill go to use t dot go to minus 55 comma minus 50, then rectangle color the size of minus 5 15 comma 100 comma gray, and body I'm going to fill with the color of red, and arms I'm going to fill with the color of gray. Again once again, then like that I'm going to fill, because we need two arms, I'm going to writing the repeat the code for two times, and I'm going to continue the code with the gray color, and again writing the coding neck. So to draw the deck I'm going to write the uh, thing called t dot go to of minus 50 comma to 120, then rectangle also I'm going to fill the size of 15 comma 20 comma gray. Then I'm going sorry for the interruption, this continuation of the previous video. So I'm going to use the rectangle where for head tabs I'm using the rectangle of red color, and eyes I'm just using the white color, and black I'm using the another parts as a black color. So as I told you, it's a simple thing project where you can develop the robot easily. Just I'm going to show the execution. It will appear for only few seconds and disappear immediately. Please observe the diagram immediately. Shapes and everything can do continuously. Yeah, so we have developed and successfully executed the program. We are showing the image objects whatever size we mentioned in the coding by chunk coding. So we can develop, so two arms is there, and it will generate the head automatically with two eyes, head with eyes also, and disappear immediately. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.